Good afternoon in YouTube land. This is Kurt Michael Boyd with Rustline Sotheby's in Scottsdale, Arizona. Just wanted to do a quick video tour. Probably have to break out into three parts actually. This is an open house I'm doing today, and the address is 13802 North 64th Place in Scottsdale. It's basically 64th Street and East Thunderbird Road for the most part. Built in 1971, it has seen significant upgrades over the years. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, also has a diving pool, which is great. Also has 2-car garage. It has solar on top and beautiful landscaping, as you can see. Really large backyard and side yard for RV gate, RV storage if you want, or to make it anything that you would want, pickleball or what have you. And also there are plans that are approved already for a 1-bedroom independent house casita with a 1-car garage. There's that much space to take care of it. It's the best value on a half-acre corner lot here, and no HOA in our favorite zip code of 85254. It's close to everything. So just wanted to get you through the house. Like I said, it'll have to take probably 2 or 3 parts because of the heat. I want to make sure that the upload comes off all right, and that the phone doesn't get too hot and die on me in the meantime. Anyways, okay, so again, we're at 13802 North 64th Place in Scottsdale, 85254. The house is 2853 on the square footage. They're asking 1.15. Again, no HOA. So when we get into the house here, first of all, at the entrance here, this is a private entrance because there's an in-house under roof guest room casita, you know, like for traveling nurses and so forth, contract nurses that could be in this private space, which I'll get to right away. Let me just close this up. Kind of hot outside. So here is the private room that could easily be rented. This door would be locked from the other side, of course, so it would be separate from the house. So this would be the front room here, that's the access from the outside. So you have new windows or fresh paint. You also have a kitchenette. A little mini dishwasher, fridge, nice cabinet storage. You know, it's perfect for a short-term stay, a few months, or whatever the contract might be. And then here's a sitting room, so you can have a break, so it's not just one big room. You have mountain views. I know the camera's not going to be able to get that. It's right off of Thunderbird, which is a popular street and thoroughfare, and gets you into Phoenix and the Paradise Valley area here. So like Tatum Boulevard, which is 44th Street, and Thunderbird is a really popular area. It has all kinds of shopping, banking, dentists, chiropractors, anything you can need, groceries, it's dry cleaners, everything is right there. So in this little pocket, you're like 2 minutes away from anything you could possibly want. Upscale and on budget, it has everything. So this is the bathroom. I just want to get the shower real quick because they really did a really nice job on it. Nice tight seal. So it really did a nice job. Okay, so we'll go into, these are just closets, by the way. Obviously a television would hang there. These are just extra closets. There's no direct garage access from the house because of the floor plan and the way it was built. Not a big deal, but it does have a 2-car garage. So here, as we get into the house, let's just call this part 1, the contract nurse suite, I guess you could call it that. And then I'll pause right here because the phone's getting kind of hot and we're about 4.5 minutes. I'll get you in through the rest of the house here in just a moment. Please stay tuned.